What's going on, guys? Welcome to week 3 of the Range Rover Classic restoration project. We are making really good progress. So you would have seen in the previous 2 videos, all the welding is complete now, it's been stripped down, and today I'm going to pick up the parts that have been sandblasted and powder coated. So it's going to start now the process of kind of getting all of the new parts and all the kind of reconditioned parts back onto the car, doing a lot of the seal, kind of making good inside of the car, but we're making great progress. So we're going to jump in the shop truck and we're going to head over and pick up all of the lovely new powder coated bits. So let's go. Week 3 of the restoration. Okay, Ben and I have jumped in the shop truck and we have arrived at GLS, and I'm going to pick up all the bits like the axles and stuff that have just been freshly powder coated. I cannot wait to see what they look like. So Ben just got distracted by this Westphalia here, so lovely VW. But yeah, so got a bit distracted. So we are going to load up all of the new shiny bits into the shop truck. Getting it ready. Here we have, hopefully the new shiny. I'm so excited to open these and see what they actually look like. Hopefully they're my parts, because I can't really tell at the moment, but we're going to make our way back to the workshop. But there you go, ticked off, powder coating done. Okay, so for those of you that would have watched week 1's video, you would have seen what these were like before. So take a look at them now. I mean, pretty amazing. Very, very happy with that. So this is kind of like a satin finish. Oh, I'm actually excited to see that. That's the sump, isn't it? Sump pan?
Yeah.
Here we go. It is, it's like Christmas, isn't it?
Pretty mad, isn't it?
That is crazy.
Considering how bad it was.
That is crazy. Again, look at the inside. Wow. That looks like new. That's the fuel tank cover, isn't it?
Fuel tank cover, that was really bad, wasn't
Yeah, it was. Let's have a little look. Oh, they've done a really good job, haven't they?
Can't go wrong, can you?
Again, if you were to look back at the previous videos, you'll see how bad this was and how it's come back. That's so impressive, isn't it?
No.
Look at that. Yes.
Polish the fingerprints.
That's it, yeah? All right, ticked off. I can't wait till all of this going on there. Okay, so we've had a little bit of a setback this week. We thought we'd finished all the welding, but as with any restoration, we found a few other bits, right?
Yeah.
So we've now, Jazz and John have been working in here. Is that hot still?
Yeah, very hot.
So what are these called, Jazz? These are the body mounts. Yeah. So this one's done, isn't it? Yeah. So I bought new ones of these kind of like body mount. What are these called? Like they're
the rubbers that are.
Yeah.
They are actually the mount.
Yeah. So I bought these. Oh, it's not focusing. I bought these, but obviously now we had to. So you put in this plate here, haven't you, Jazz?
We just replaced.
Because it was rotten.
Yeah,
it was rotten.
It was just too. It wasn't worth it. We've come this far not to do it.
Yeah.
They were deteriorating, so where the rust, they were starting to swell.
Yeah.
So it wouldn't take long, they would have gone.
And it's quite an important part of the
holds the body to the chassis. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we had to do it. Yeah. You know, there's no way around it.
And it's an MOT failure as well.
Exactly.
So,
Exactly. Okay, so part of this build, I'm going to get the whole interior re-trimmed. So what I need to do, and for paint as well, is to get these door panels off. So hopefully there's a couple of screws in here, screw behind the handle here. So we're going to take this off and then send it off to be all re-trimmed and made to look good, to be fitting in with what I'm doing in the inside. And then we've got to get this panel off, so 4 panels basically, and then onto the dashboard to get that off, and then that will all go off to get re-trimmed. So let's try and get this off. All right, there you go. First one.
Bit of trial and error.
Done. Only one bit broken.
Yeah. Good.
The aim is to put a new speaker in this bit here. So we've got the original one, which I'm going to replace for like a more modern one, then a bigger one in here, because you've got to have a good sound system. If you're doing a car, you've got to have a good sound system. Welcome to day 15 of the restoration project, and coming to the end of week 3, we're making great progress again. Today is about getting the doors off, the bonnet off, tailgate off, back window off, and just cracking on. Yeah, another great week. I'll give you guys an update in a minute. Okay, so bonnet off. 2 doors off. 2 doors off. You guys definitely made that easy for me though. It looked like I just literally picked them up and walked away. You did all the handiwork in here.
They are designed so they're... All we've done is took the clips off.
Yeah. They came off actually alright, didn't they?
Everything. Yeah, we've been so lucky. And look,
brilliant.
I mean, the condition.
Solid.
No corrosion anywhere, absolutely.
She's a goodie.
Yeah.
Right, doors off, bonnet off, tailgate off, back window off, lots of stuff off, and now, what are we taking off here, Jazz? The steering box.
Yeah, we're going to go for the steering box because it's leaking. So
there's a leak, isn't there? Yeah.
And then we can get it. So basically the steering box, if you look down there,
yeah,
is this unit here.
Okay, yeah.
And when you turn your steering wheel, it turns through the gears in the box.
Okay.
And that's what turns your wheels basically.
But you're saying there's a leak
out the bottom of the steering box, so we'll take it removed. Off, get it reconditioned or reseal it if it needs resealing.
All right.
And we'll go from there.
Right then. Ready?
Yeah. I'm scared.
I'm a good aim, I promise.
I'm not even looking.
All right, ready? Right, so I'm going underneath and I'm going to catch it, yeah?
Yeah. I'm not doing it.
Am I?
Yeah.
I'm getting grips on everything here. Right.
So you're going to unscrew.
Where's it going?
Lefty loosey, righty tighty.
But like on the actual...
Yeah.
On the actual boy?
Yeah, on the boy.
Oh, I can see it all seeping out of there. I can see it all coming for me. Is it going to get mental when I take this off?
No, it's a bit.
Stinks like petrol.
Yeah.
In it? You were waiting for that, weren't you? You were waiting for that. Is it all over me? Is it all over me? Is it all over my face?
No, you're right.
It is, isn't it?
It isn't.
It is. Have I got it all over me?
No, honestly, you're alright.
I can feel it dripping down my cheek. Is it dripping down my cheek? You're lying. What's going on?
You're all right.
Okay, I can't see, but I reckon I've got oil all over my face.
No, you haven't.
Have I not?
No.
I can feel it coming down my cheek. Is it not? Careful, it's right. So, we're trying to get the fuel lines out. We're trying to get them out as one, Jazz.
Yeah.
So we can obviously then get them sent off and remade.
Yeah.
So, basically, we're getting rid of these lights. One, this one's smashed, it needs to be replaced. But also, when it comes to paint, obviously you want to get all in here and nice and get it all finished nice, yeah? Having a go on the grinder.
You're going to have a go. Okay, just
Goggles, I need goggles.
goggles. And the other thing you have to remember is obviously we don't have guards on our
Grinders,
machines.
right.
Okay. So you just remember you keep your hand back away from the blade.
Yeah,
Nice hard grip.
yeah,
And you just push this one forward on this. It's a slow start, so it won't. And then what you're going to do,
yeah.
direction of the blade, you're going to follow the black line
Yeah.
and follow the black
Boom.
line for me.
Cut
All
a
right?
square, yeah?
Get yourself some PPE on. So just remember where your hand comes around the back because we don't have the guards.
Yeah, so
You
I'm
wanna be
going to
clear.
stay like that.
Yeah, get it going and then that's it.
Keep going.
Yeah, till that piece falls off.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Bit spicy, isn't it?
Yeah. Warms your leg up.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Quite nice. That's not a straight line though.
That's
I've cooked that one. I've cooked it.
it, alright. Pretty good.
Yeah, right.
So we'll try this one then. Try
Yeah.
going in at the front and working your way forward.
Much better line. I think that's my best one.
Brilliant.
My best one, I reckon. Bit squiggly. Look at that!
Well, that's your first. So that's going to be our manufacturing into one of our seat belts.
Oh, seat belt
support
mounts.
plates. Yeah.
Oh, cool. All right. Not the straightest of lines.
It's good.
Not bad for first
Oh,
to go.
it's good.
I got a bit spicy in the neck area. So, you can't really see actually. Jazz drew these characters here. We've got Jazz here. And we've got John here. Hi. Just need little me apprentice in the middle. Or in the back window.
Yes. Put you in the boot.
That's it in the boot.
So you've got a bit of a beard going on. So I have to. Yeah, you're an artist.
That's pretty good though, isn't it?
I think that I could.
Oh, I'm a bit of a wide boy there, aren't I? Bloody hell, mate.
That's alright. You know,
It was that McDonald's, isn't it?
Where's your hat? Let me have a look at your hat. Oh, that's got some striking bits.
There we go.
Got the beard look going on as well.
There you go. 3 of us rolling around.
Mine looks like an alien. I must be the first.
It's like that, you know, there's that movie Cocoon. Have you seen that movie Cocoon, that old one? It's like those. Or Mac and Me, you know? All right, little update. We're trying to get, what are these bits called? Rear quarter panels?
Yeah, it's just like, yeah, it's
Little-
like really cool trim.
This bit, basically this bit here. Trying to get this off, but I think there's a bolt. You're saying, Jazz, there's a bolt inside here to be able to get it fully off, right? Because I think I'm going to paint this, instead of it being this kind of like vinyl covered, instead of having this vinyl, I think I'm going to paint it the same colour as the body colour to kind of continue that with the roof as well. So we're just trying to get it off. One side off. This is what it looks like now. So obviously it has to go back on, but yeah, it will all be painted up and then the panel will go back on and we continue that colour. Not this colour, it's obviously changing. And a crunch. I'm doing like crunches as I'm doing this. My arms are aching, I'm doing my legs are aching. Right, get in there, right? What is that?
That's the original gearbox plate.
This guy here?
Yeah.
It's pretty clean.
It is, isn't it? It was
We just found it like that, didn't we?
Yeah.
Okay, so all the panels and stuff are off that we wanted to get off today, like the doors, boot, everything. And now, car's back up. Car's back up. And we're just having a clean up on the chassis. Doing all the last bit, so I'm getting on this.
We're going to have a powerful jaw.
Yeah?
Powerful. Are you ready? Face off.
Go on then, go on then. Get in there then. Following John into the paint room.